All right, final thoughts on the model prompt. I want you to walk away from this section feeling really in charge, that you have the ability to come to a Flask application and have Flask commands installed on your machine so that you can write Flask make view and feel natural with the way that the the options are for you, whether you're wiring up the controller, the model, and the let's see, the RC, the route, the controller, and the model, and be able to use the generators or be able to explicitly direct it. So, do I want it to just generate that route for me, or do I want to tell it the route? Not be surprised when there is a prompt because you don't have that model sitting behind the scenes ready for you. Um, so I really I wanted this to not be mysterious. I wanted Flask View not to be mysterious. I don't want anything to be mysterious. I want it to be very clear as to what you're going to get. I don't want you to be guessing as you're typing. I want it to be helpful, but not pushy with a whole bunch of prompts, and for you to have that ability to avoid the prompts, but not for you to be focused on avoiding the prompts, but the prompt be there for you if you need it. Um, and Yeah, that really was kind of the sweet spot for me as far as Flask views. We're gonna get a little bit more into Flask views. As you can see, there's a couple more sections here, and then you'll see kind of even more power here, especially when we get toward this last one, which is nested resources. We're gonna You've seen this if you've been following along the demos, this cooker app that we'll end up making. So one of the first things that we'll do is the recipes index page. And so that's where we'll pick up next. All right, see you all in the next video.